Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, the 5th of July 2021. The new trading week begins today, so let's take a look at the Forex calendar. As you can see, we got some data published overnight already, like a tertiary industry index from Japan and PMI composite data from Japan. Both had beat the expectations of 47.2 and 47.8 respectively. We have, of course, the other data from the Australia inflation gauge, building approvals and retail sales. As you can see, retail sales beat the expectations of 0.1% because they were released at 0.4%. And we are looking at more PMI composite data. Today is the PMI composite services and overall PMI day. So the market services and market composite PMI from China had been released already. Unfortunately, this data were worse than expected and way worse. What I mean is, like, data was released at the level of 50.3. The expectation was 54.8 and the previous reading was 55. So that's a 5-point down on services and 3 points down on composite. That's a lot for a monthly reading, of course. So data from China disappointed completely. More PMI services and composite data from the European Union is scheduled for release during the London session, of course, and we got Sendix investor confidence data at 10:30. As well, PMI services, of course, will be released from the UK as well today. And that's about everything for today during the London session. So PMI services day. So let's take a look. Maybe we should take a look at the Japanese yen, and then of course we'll take a look at the Aussie dollar because there are data from the Australian economy and from the China, so we'll see what is going on there. First, US dollar to the Japanese yen. What's going on here? Our target 111.71 has been hit. 111.67. Well, 4 pips miss, but please take a look at this. We have the bearish engulfing pattern that tested the technical support. Let's just change this color to the green because it's support now. It's hit the technical support 110.98, and this is pretty much a nice bearish engulfing pattern. So as you can see, we will consider this move up to be completed for now. We have a bearish engulfing pattern. So far, a shallow bounce from 110.98, which is the technical support. Of course, the high was from the end of the March 2021. If we break below 110.98, then of course we have some weak support around the level of 110.43. Then the next support is this level, 110.21, and the other support is of course here at the level of 109.79. So the market is still trading inside of this channel, but it looks like this kind of a behavior is not really something we should be surprised of, because as you can see, we got bearish engulfing here with the new high, bearish engulfing here with the new high, we have a pin bar here, we have a bearish engulfing. So we need more than one bearish engulfing pattern to trust this signal and setup that this is the high and now we are going down. I think we should of course keep an eye on the nearest technical supports, because any violation of this technical support would mean that the price is out of the channel. And as long as price trades inside of this channel, that means we can still go higher. So far, we almost hit 111.71. We are waiting for another shot to the upside. Australian dollar and American dollar. What is going on here? Please take a look on this, how it looks like. Right now we out of this channel for quite some time. We've made a new local low, 7,483, and then there was the new local low on Friday. This low was made at 7,445. Then we have the bullish engulfing pattern. Let me just zoom in so we can just now focus on this period of time. We have this low made here. Looks like a bullish engulfing pattern. Please take a notice that this is a new low, and there is no new low on the RSI, so we have a bullish divergence on the between the price and the RSI indicator. However, so far the market stopped at the technical resistance 7,533, and in order to resume the uptrend, we need to break above this high, which is at 7,600 and let me just take a look, 7,618, and of course this technical resistance at 7,648 pips. So those are our targets for now. Pretty good beginning for a bounce. Pretty good play. The bearish divergence has been played pretty much nicely, and as it's supposed to be played by the textbook. But this is not the end of the down move. It looks like we will just consolidate here, and then we might go down on the Australian dollar to the American dollar. The key technical support is 7,415, which is marked by this blue arrow. So one more is of course euro dollar, because we got plenty of PMI data for today. What do we have here? We have another lower low. That's the first thing we should pay attention of. Right now we are off 3.75%. all right, this looks like a pin bar anyway. So there might be some sort of the bounce, but please remember we need to break above 1.1993 in order to continue the up, in order to have a chance to continue the uptrend. Looks like a bullish divergence here as well. So we might have some bullish price action here after the PMI data would be released. Maybe they will trigger some kind of a move towards 1.1952, but I guess that this is still not the end of the down move here. So the euro versus the dollar still has some room to go to the downside. Please remember, we are getting very close to the level of 1.1703, which is the low of the wave C. The last technical support is basically 1.1831. So if this one is violated, then the other one is 130 pips lower, and this looks like this pin bar. Of course, looks like bulls are defending this technical support, because they know if they will drop it, then it will fall 150 pips. So there might be some kind of up and down price action here. Nothing that much serious, I guess. And it looks like with that negative momentum, with that negative sentiment, I think we should sooner or later see the test of 1.1703, and of course the game-changing level is 1.1993. So only a breakout above this will give us something different here on the euro dollar. So that's everything for today. I guess I've covered pretty much all of the aspects of today's economic calendar. So I wish you guys happy trading, and I hope we see you tomorrow. Bye bye.